Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can install or uninstall extensions in your Google Chrome in your browser. So what you have to do, you have to follow my steps, and after following my instructions, you will be able to do that. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to click on the three dots, and you will see the options like extensions. You have to click on this. So as you can see, here's the option like the extension. We have to click on this. Now we have to click on the manage extensions, and after clicking on this, you will see the extensions like this. As you can see, all the extensions are provided here. For example, if you want to use or if you want to add or delete anyone, you can also do that. So we are going to try on them. For example, has the keyword and has the option like this one. If you want to see the details, you have to click on the details. You will be able to see all the details here. Now we are going to back. If you want to remove it, you can also remove it. You have to click on the remove, and after clicking on this, you have to click on the remove. It will be removed. So in this way, you can remove any kind of extension. For example, I want to make this one on, so you have to click on this, and now it's enabled. So in this way, you can manage your extension. If you want to remove, you have to click on the remove. If you want to see the details of this extension, you have to click on the details, and if you want to make it enable or disable, you can use this icon. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can remove or see the details or make it enable or disable your extensions. So see you guys in the next video.